everyone, this is IDS Magazine and we have come to the booth of DSI Laser Service Thailand. And today we are privileged to have Mr. Stefan, Welding Engineering Director, joining us for the interview. Hello,
Thank you, Sawadee. Good afternoon.
The 2024 Manufacturing Expo Special Report is sponsored by ICP DAS. ICP DAS is dedicated to the development of industrial automation control, offering comprehensive solutions for smart factories and complete applications for the IIoT.
First of all, could you please say hello to the viewers?
Hello, Sawadee. My name is Stephen. I'm from the Welding Engineer Director from DSI Thailand.
And could you please tell us more about your company?
DSI Thailand was established in 2000, 24 years ago, and we are focusing on pulse laser welding, which is a big difference of laser welding because only by using the pulse you can earn unique advantages. So, our company and our business, everything is turning about pulse laser welding.
And what are the solutions that you display or would you like to present at Manufacturing Expo?
So the history is, as I said, 24 years ago, we start pulse laser welding by providing this kind of technology in terms of welding to the industries like mold and die, where we are, so the automotive industry, and we do the welding by ourselves. So, because of the development of the pulse laser welding machines, they are from Germany, from Alpha Laser, the rapid development give us the chance also to entering another industries like chemical industries or oil and gas or petrochemical industries and even aviation. But this development was only possible because of the development of the machines. And nowadays, DSI Thailand is able to provide customers in any industry. It starts from mold and die, from automotive, chemical, petrochemical, and also aviation industry. And beside of our welding workshop, we also are authorized dealer for Alpha Laser machines. We have our service and maintenance team for those machines, and we have our own wire program, as you see here. We call it DSI Wires. All the wires are purchased 100% from Germany, and we draw down the wires by ourselves here in Thailand. So, and the wires are available as a rod or as on spools and many different base materials. I think the advantage of the wires or DSI wire program is we not only wire dealer, but we also understand the welding. So if customer have some specific problem with some specific base materials, we can advise which wire they need, which diameter, which parameter they need to do the welding by themselves. And we also sell the machines to the customers that later on they can also do the welding by themselves.
And what about the machines that you display at the booth today?
We start with the first machine. The technology of the machine, we call it ND-YAG, and it's a AL200 machine. This size of machine and this power, the pulse power, it's required. It started already, let's say, 20 years ago for the industry for mold and die. The advantage of this machine is, you see here the laser resonator with the microscope, and you do the welding, finally, you do the welding through the microscope. But the welding, the resonator is independent from the machine. So this is the power source is in the machine, and this is the welding resonator independently, which have a high flexibility for during welding for different workpieces. So this is the advantage of that machine. And then we come to AL150. The concept, finally, it's the same, independent, the machine from the resonator, but this is equipped with a table. And this machine is operated by a joystick. So you can operate this kind of resonator with a joystick. It's different from that machine, which is operated manually, no joystick. So, and any machine have its special advantages. which is depending on the requirement of the customer. So finally, we need to find out what is the requirement for the customer, and then we can advise for the solution for the customer, right? This is a third machine we present on the exhibition. We call it ALM 200, and here you see the machine and the resonator is equipped together. It's not separated. And this machine, it has an arm, it can extend to 2 meters, and this is especially for to repair like mold and dies for the automotive industry. Sometimes they have very huge molds, 2 meters the size, and then with this arm you can actually reach the center of the mold for to repair. So very flexible machine, but can also operate by the joystick.
So apart from selling the machines and also all the service and training, do you also have education part as well?
Yes, the education part is also a very strong pillar. We call the total package, we call it DSI Total Solution, and education is a very strong part. First, for to educate our own welder. Second is for to educate the welder of our customer who buy our machines. And the third reason is also we do investigation and examination for the different base materials, because we have base materials like carbon steel, high tensile carbon steel, copper, titanium, aluminium, so many different industries, so many different materials. And the investigation to understand what has happened with the base material during the welding, we have the cooperation with the German Welding Society. We created DSI Laser Academy, and this is a cooperation with SLV Hannover, German Welding Society, which makes us a little bit independent in our opinion. So by introducing this kind of technology, finally I can say everything is proved by the German Welding Society. It's not by our own, right? So, and this is the reason for the academy.
Thank you, Mr. Stefan, for such a fantastic introduction. And if you're interested in all the content we discussed today, please feel free to contact them directly with DSI Laser Service Thailand. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next episode, and thank you, Mr. Stefan, as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the interview.